Do you want to know how to create amazing handmade jewelry but don't know where to start? I would suggest to start with finding good materials. It is very important to use high quality materials in your creations, as low quality materials can ruin all the look of your handmade creations. Today I will be showcasing my collaboration with PandaHall Selected, where I have hand-picked high quality materials for jewelry designers and for those who would like to try their hand at this exciting niche. Here I had created bracelet out of their shell pearls and cubic zirconia beads. I will show how to create this bracelet later in this video. As I have been in jewelry industry more than 10 years, I have tried a lot of different materials. I had a lot of mistakes, spent a lot of money, and then eventually I found the best suppliers, and I always recommend only materials what I use in my creations. And I'm so happy that I have collaborations with PandaHall Selected because I found amazing high quality materials from their online shop. And you can find all the links to the materials what I will show below this video, as well as for all my subscribers and for all who are watching this video, there is a special promo code for 10% discount in PandaHall online shop. You can use it for your first order. Just write this promo code for 10% off for your first order. Here you can see the products that I have chosen from PandaHall Selected's online shop. The packaging of every product is very careful, and all products arrive to me safely and without any damage. This is very important when you order from online shops around the world, how accurately they pack all the materials, because sometimes I got parcels with half of crystals and pearls damaged. So here you can be sure that your products will come safely because they pack it very accurately, as you saw it in the video. As well, their shop has a wide range of beads to choose from, including small crystals, semi-precious stones, freshwater pearls. I have ordered variety of small crystals for embroidery, shell pearls for bracelets and earrings, as well as freshwater pearls that I can use for some wedding accessories, such as hair combs, bracelets and earrings. These are freshwater pearls. You can see they came to me in these strands. And beautiful small crystals for embroidery. This is something I need to have all the time. Wide range of cubic zirconia beads and some different earring clasps and hoops. Variation of crystal mixes, such as here I have mix of clear crystals. There is different sizes from the biggest to the smallest. They come in these kind of boxes straight away, so you don't need to pay extra money for the boxes, and you have straight away different sizes of the crystals. As well, they have amazing range of mixes with different colors, so you have straight away beautiful palette for your creation, and you don't need to spend a lot of time for searching different crystals, shapes and colors. You can order just the mix, just the one box, and you will have everything. For example, for me it's very important to have different colors of crystals, same as shapes, because when I create a handmade brooch or earrings or bracelets and I want to embroider, I just take this kind of mixes. Also, a lot of my subscribers was asking me about the boxes, how I pack my jewelry, and I have this kind of boxes with my logo, but actually they have very similar boxes on their website. I will show you now. These are boxes very similar. This is small size, but they have as well big size. As you can see, this box is 7.5 centimeters and 7.5 centimeters. It is good for small pieces such as earrings, for example. And to start pack your jewelry nicely, you can always find their nice boxes in different colors, shapes and materials. So if you are looking for high quality materials for affordable prices and one-stop shop where you can find all materials what you need for your handmade creations, you are welcome to visit PandaHall Selected website, and don't forget to use the promo code of YXYTBDAISY for extra 10% discount for all products. And now I will show you a very easy and quick tutorial of how you can create this kind of stretch bracelet from shell pearls and cubic zirconia beads. First of all, I take 10mm shell pearls from my set. Then I will need 1mm thick stretch cord. I start with spacer, I enter with the stretch cord into the spacer, then take 10mm shell pearls, 2 of them. After I will take a crown bead with cubic zirconia, it will be middle of my bracelet. Now again I will take 2 shell pearls of 10mm and 1 more spacer. My middle part is 2 inch long. For my wrist I need another 5.5 inches with shell pearls to make my bracelet 7.5 inch long. I need few beads more. Time to finish our bracelet. I will make a knot, but before I secure my bracelet I will measure it on my wrist. I like how it looks like, so I can make my double knot on it. As you can see, I created in between shell pearl and spacer. Like that I will be able to hide my knot inside the spacer. I will take glue, put a bit of the glue to the knot to secure it better. Then I will cut extra stretch cord, and that's it. I will wait a bit while my glue will dry. And then hide my knot inside the spacer. Stretch bracelet out of shell pearls and cubic zirconia beads is ready, and now we will create a pair of earrings to match this bracelet. For it I take 8mm shell pearl, then spacer, then I will take 10mm shell pearl, all of them I put on the pin, then I will bend my pin, cut extra, I will leave around 1 cm, then I will make a loop. Gently will close this loop. Take earring hoop with cubic zirconia stones. Open the loop on a hoop, and then I will attach my hoop to the pin. Repeat all the steps for our second earring.